If you're getting ready to take the Florida Irrigation Contractor exam and you want to pass it on your first try, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down what this license actually covers, the exact reference books you're allowed to use, key strategies to avoid common mistakes, and how to study smarter, not longer. Both exams are open book, but don't let that fool you. Most people fail because they don't know how to use their books efficiently. Let's fix that. Welcome to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. If you're preparing for the Florida Irrigation Contractor exam, then stay tuned because I'll be giving you a special discount code on all Florida prep materials towards the end of the short video. A Florida irrigation contractor is a licensed specialty contractor regulated by the Florida Construction Industry Licensing Board, authorized to install, maintain, repair, alter, extend, manage, monitor, audit, and design irrigation systems. That's going to include irrigation system installation, repair, maintenance and design, and backflow and control wiring. The project scope does not include water wells or pumps, which fall under the Florida Plumbing Code. This license is licensed statewide through the Florida DBPR. So just like most Florida specialty contractor license, this one requires passing 2 exams. Most likely you'll be taking the business and finance exam first, which is 120 questions. You'll have 6.5 hours for that exam. It's going to cover establishing the business, trade operations, accounting, human resources, and government regulations. The next will be the irrigation trade exam, 80 questions in 5 hours. That's going to cover pre-construction tasks like site analysis, plan review, construction and wiring, maintenance and troubleshooting, hydraulics, scheduling, and water conservation. Both exams are open book and computer-based through Pearson VUE. You need a 70% passing score on each one to get licensed. This exam is open book, but the irrigation trade exam has one of the shortest approved reference lists of any Florida specialty license, only 3 books. You've got the OSHA 29 CFR 1926, Irrigation 6th edition, and the Florida Building Code Plumbing Volume 2023. A couple of things candidates often study but can't bring in are the Florida Statutes 373.62 on water conservation and the Trench Safety Act. So those aren't allowed in the exam, but you'll need to study them. So get your books tabbed and highlighted well before exam day. That's what makes this exam much easier if you know where the answers are. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They study content instead of navigation. Your prep should focus on tabbing and highlighting your books, realistic time practice questions, and learning which reference books answers which question type. If your exam is coming up, practice under time pressure. Train your hands to find answers automatically. No 2 contractors study the same way. That's why One Exam Prep offers multiple exam prep options to fit every schedule, style, and budget. We've got the online course, which is going to walk you through every exam topic and book step by step. The book set includes the official reference materials approved for the exam. The highlight and tab book set is going to be having the official books professionally highlighted tab ready for the exam. The book rental is going to give you everything you need: the book, the professionally highlighted tab books, and the book course access, and you'll be able to get a deposit return after you return those books. The ultimate package gives you that book rental, plus we're going to give you access to the live course, which is going to include live and recorded classes, as well as the application service, which is really important. And the one package finally is going to be the ultimate package, plus we're going to set up your business for you. So use code FL10IRR at checkout for 10% off any of these packages. If you set up your prep correctly and train for speed, passing the Florida Irrigation Contractor exam on the first try is very doable. If you want a guided study plan, practice support, and a proven system to get through both exams faster, check out oneexamprep.com. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos, and we'll see you